Hey guys, it's Karen Mara. Welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be giving you the Fabulous 50 plan review. You might have heard about this company, wondered if it's legitimate or not. We're going to get into that in just a minute, how much money you can make, and a little bit about the company. But before we get to it, if you're new to the channel, welcome. This channel is all about affiliate marketing, how to make money online, how to make money from home, and I do a lot of product reviews on this channel as well, just to let you make an informed buying decision. If those are topics that you want to learn more about, make sure you click the subscribe button and the bell icon. That way you can be notified when I upload new videos. Again, this is a Fabulous 50 plan review, or the Fab 50 review. What exactly is Fab 50? It is a direct mail business opportunity money-making plan that's been around since 2017. So it's not a new company, it's about 2 years old. The owner, I wasn't able to find who the owner is, but the sales video said that it's fully monitored by Mountain Marketing in Colorado, which if you go here to Mountain Marketing, you can see that it is a legitimate marketing company. They offer a lot of different services, but this particular company, Fab 50, is monitored by Mountain Marketing. It's only available in the United States. The product, as far as I could find, the product is a marketing kit from Mountain Marketing in Colorado that you can use to promote any direct mail order program. But in this case, most people use the marketing kit to market Fab 50. The cost to join is going to be, there's two different phases. The first phase, it'll cost you $325 total. You're going to pay via money order one time. You're going to pay $75 admin fee to the Mountain Marketing, and then $50 each to the 5 Fab 50 members listed on your order form. So that adds up to $325. The second phase I'm not sure what the admin fee is for that. I'm assuming it's about the same, $75, but it'll cost you $500 for each member. And then, so that's going to be about $2,500 from what I understand. But that'll be when you get to phase 2. So the goal is to get 4 other people to join, and the program pays 5 levels deep, as far as I understand it. Hopefully you can see this, but an example is if 4 people get 4 people, get 4 people, get 4 people, and that's like the best case scenario. And after you get your 4 responses, then you don't need to mail out anymore unless you want to. But in that case, then they say that you'll just start getting these $50 money orders. So if everybody did that, you can see if everyone got 4, got 4, got 4, got 4, it would go up to 1,024 or 1,364 times $50 each. You would get paid $68,200 as an example only, but that they say, is based on your efforts, but also the efforts of the people, because that's going to be coming from the people that you recruit as well. That's phase 1. Phase 2, again, is $500 that you'll pay to 5 people. No mailing required. I think this $500 to 5 people. No. If you're watching this and you know that is not the case, make sure you leave it in the comments below. But that's as much information that I could find out, is that once you get to phase 2, I know that people feel like they're going to lose out if they don't upgrade. So that's the fear of loss. But it does cost $500, and it says that it's 100% monitored, so 100% cheat proof, fully monitored by the Mountain Marketing. So you will get your money. I think it's weekly that they pay out. I would say the pros, it's easy to do. You have potential to make good money, and then with direct mail, there's little competition like there is with email marketing, because there's not a lot of direct mail pieces that people get every day in their mail. The considerations, I would say, is what is the product? I mean, they said it's a marketing kit, and they do give you in that kit, I believe, like 300 addresses, peel and stick addresses, and a flyer that you can make copies of if you want to market the Fab 50. Also, just some marketing tips in there as well. But I wonder, what marketing skill are you learning? You are probably learning direct mail marketing, but besides that, if I'm just wondering what are you learning? And then you will either have to pay to market, or you're going to have to learn free marketing methods. So I'm not sure how much it costs. They don't include the stamps in there, but I'm not sure how much like the flyers and different things like that will cost you to mail out. And then after you use up the 300, how much is it going to cost you to do your direct mail marketing? So you have to consider that as well if you're going to do the paid. And then if you're going to do free, obviously you want to learn some good marketing strategies that are going to bring you people that are actually interested in joining this, which for me, the best free marketing method has been YouTube. And when you learn how to market on YouTube, you can pretty much market anything. And that's the problem that I see with these businesses, is that people will jump around from one business to another thinking that this opportunity is going to be the greatest and everybody's going to join. And then, I think the average that one in network marketing is one person that someone recruits their whole lifetime of being a network marketer. So thinking that the opportunity is going to bring in more people, that's not necessarily the case. I don't know. I think there was even people with the Miracle System that didn't make money. Someone came to me and said they spent like $5,000 with, I can't remember the name of the company, it's a direct, anyway, then they spent $2,000 on top of that and they didn't make any money. So, that can happen in any of these companies, but when you learn how to market correctly and build an audience, then it becomes much easier, because you see a lot of these people that have large followings that they make a lot of money in this opportunity, then they'll go to another one and they'll make a lot of money, but there's people that join that don't make any money. But that's because they've built a following and they've learned how to market. So those are just some considerations that I would like to point out to you. So I hope you found some value in this fabulous 50 plan review. If you did, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. And if there's anything, like I said, that I didn't have correct in this review, make sure you leave them in the comments below so we're all clear on this money-making opportunity. And also, if you need to contact me for any reason, I do have my contact information in the description below the video. If you'd like to learn my #1 recommendation for making money from home, that'll be the first link in the description below the video. You can check it out if you'd like. With that being said, this is Karen Merrill signing off, and I'll see you guys in the next video.